The week-long free eye cataract surgery camp, organized by the Al-Basar International Foundation with funding from Saudi Arabia's King Salaman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, successfully concluded on Tuesday. According to Dr. Ashraf Dawood, more than 500 cataract surgeries were conducted during the camp.
Today is last day. Camp is finished totally. We have done surgery and more than 500 surgery, and then OPD we have done we have been screening the patient at least 5,000 6,000 patients. And here in OPD in OPD we provide him medicine and glasses, and also surgery also now 2 days on a follow up. Now follow up is running. Now follow up is very good vision inshallah.
Beneficiaries returned in large numbers to have their vision confirmed following the successful surgeries. They were supplied with eye drops and sunglasses and instructed to report to the Sheikh Zayed Regional Eye Care Center in 1 month for a follow-up checkup and confirmation of their restored vision clarity. We spoke with several beneficiaries who expressed their profound appreciation and shared their immense joy at regaining their sight.
Yeguma dara lu metti so maa ngi leen di gërëm kontaan naa ak ma ebal si fii ñoom ñëpp maa ngi leen di yërëm yan na leen yàlla yokkal ñëw dimbali askan gi nga xam ne néew nañ doole loola yàlla rek moo mun a fay borom.
The Al-Basar International Foundation team of doctors has built significant confidence and trust through their years of dedicated service to Gambians. The team and the beneficiaries alike hail King Salaman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center and Direct Aid for their continuous vital support to the health of the citizenry. Karijitu Jalo reporting.